day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two rugged outdoor style smartwatch. We have the latest. This is from Aulon, the Aulon Watch Tetra S5, and the popular C20 Pro smartwatch. On this video, we are going to compare the design, the specs, as well as the UI of both wearables. So if you are interested to see what is the difference of the Aulon Watch Tetra S5 compared to the popular outdoor rugged smartwatch C20 Pro, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and compare the two smartwatches. So here's the packaging for the Aulon Tetra S5, and this is the C20 Pro. Very simple, very compact, and obviously the Aulon Watch Tetra S5 do have a more premium packaging when it comes to its smartwatch. So we have some details here, while for the Aulon we do have just a simple details here for the specs and nothing else. Okay, so this one, it's more premium and more elegant, of course, durable packaging for the Aulon Watch Tetra S5 if you compared it with our C20 Pro, which is very simple, very ordinary packaging. Okay, next let's have the smartwatches. Both do have, before we proceed with the design here, both do have a pogo pin charging cable, magnetic charging cable, as you can see here. Okay, and for the design, we have a crown button here for the Aulon Watch Tetra S5. On the center we have the built-in LED flashlight, and we have a return button here, or you can also set it as a flashlight button or sports button. It can be configured. So this one, it is a rotary button. While for our C20 Pro smartwatch, we have a return button here and a power on and off button. We don't have a rotary or crown button here. For the body frame, both wearables will have a rugged outdoor style. At the back, we have the sensors here and the power connector. Both do have a quick release pin for its strap with a stainless steel buckle, okay, or steel buckle. So both do have a beautiful look, but when it comes to durability, seems like the C20 Pro do have a much better design, and it feels more durable. We do have a metal on the center here with screws. We have a sporty bezel, while for our Aulon Tetra S4 or S5, we have a metal, okay, on the center with screws to give it a mechanical look. Sporty looking bezel also, and it is more lightweight. Again, for the design here, if you're going to ask me, I like the design here of our C20 Pro compared to the Aulon Watch Tetra S5. But this one, we do have a built-in LED light flashlight, which is very useful. We don't have a flashlight here for our C20 Pro. But when it comes to the feeling of ruggedness and durability, the C20 Pro do have a much better feel compared to our Aulon Tetra S5. Okay, so here's the look of both wearable. Again, side by side, the back on the other side. So which do you think is better when it comes to the design? Drop a comment below. Okay, for the weight, after this we'll check the dimension also. For the weight, so we have 52.33 grams for the C20 Pro. For the Alon Watch Tetra S5, we have 49.76. Again, 49.52. Okay, at least 3 grams when it comes to weight difference. For the dimension, let's put it here side by side. For the width here, we have 40.2. For our C20 Pro, we have 41.6. For the length, we have 47.9 or 48. Then for the C20 Pro, we have 47.8. Again, 47.9. Almost the same. Okay, for the thickness here, we have 12.3. Then the other one, without the sensor, is around 13.1. So thicker for the C20 Pro compared to our Tetra S5. Next, let's have the specifications. I'm going to put it here side by side. For the Tetra S5, we have 1.93 inch IPS, 1.83 inch IPS. So when it comes to the screen display, much wider screen display for our Tetra S5. For the pixel resolution, we have 240 by 296 pixel resolution, 240 by 286 pixel resolution. Bluetooth 5.4, only Bluetooth 5.0. So the advantage goes to our Tetra S5 when it comes to the specs. For the battery, 420 mAh battery, 380 mAh battery for the C20 Pro. Both do have an IP68 waterproof rating, that is 180M. And for the support app, the C20 Pro is using the DaFit app, which is much better compared to our Tetra S5, which is GloryFit application. Again, you can check the specs on both sides. So which do you think is better when it comes to the specifications? I think the Tetra S5 is much better when it comes to specs, except for the support app. Okay, next, let's have the UI. So for the main menu, just press the power button here. And for our C20 Pro, just press the button on the bottom part. Okay, so that's it for our comparison review of our Tetra S5 compared with the C20 Pro when it comes to the specs, the design, and the UI. Again, if you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe.